It's the Grocery Gang series. A gross collectible series. So come inside. Well, that's enough window gazing for a day. Better go to bed. I think I'm starting to get ill. You are? Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna puke up here with my brain upside down. Whoa, I'm a coconut. And coconut heads don't have brains. Whoa! Maybe I just need to wait for me to fall off. I lost one of the lids. So that way I can get out. Well, time to have my leftover lunch. First, gotta put it in the microwave. Dang it, I wrecked my lunch again. Dude, it's just a toy. I come out at the end. Oh. I knew that. Oh well. I whispered at a store owner, because I think I need to go in the ice bin for a while. I'm trying to freeze. Yes, but I need to go in the fridge. So I have a croissant. I think I need to heat up this pineapple. Dang it, I burnt it too much. Did he realize that the microwave was broke?
Would anyone like a refreshing drink of slime?
I'm good, thanks, Spackles.
No problem, meathead.
I feel like I'm gonna get off this thing soon. Yes. Whee! Ugh, great. Tonight, worst of all, I don't even know how to climb. Hey, pineapple, sir. What? Can you heat me up? I also want to get some warmth in the microwave. Well, it's broken, but okay. Okay, I'll just go, turn in the thingy lever. Okay. Alright, now heat me up. Sure thing, Your Majesty. I'm a boy, you know. I mean, sure thing. Well, actually, yeah, that works too. He should come out of the thing any second. What a ripoff.
Are you done in there yet?
No,